Hello fellow ML W166 owners. In this video I will show you how I installed a subwoofer into my stock standard W166 head unit. So the first thing you have to do is to remove this head unit to get to the back speakers. You've actually got to remove this. So you need one of these. You just pry out this silver trimming. They're only held together by plastic clips, so that comes out that way. And then the next thing you're going to do is remove this piece here. So all you're going to need one of these prying tool, squeeze it to the edge there, that pops right out. There you go. Now what you need is a Torx 20 screwdriver. There are two screws here, one here and one here, and all you're going to do is unscrew it all the way out. That's one. And that's two. Then you pull this metal tab down, all the way down. This whole head unit will now come out. Here we go. And what I've done, I've actually installed it. So what we've got here are the wires. I'll put the wire and the colors that I use to tap into for the subwoofer. They're back here. I've soldered it in. Okay, what I've done is I've actually run the cable through to here, through there. Okay, so the cable actually came from up here. I put it through here, around under here, and right under this seat. There's actually a join in the carpet here, so I've actually put it through the join. I won't show you this, but if you've taken on this project, I'm sure you'll know how to remove this plastic piece. It's pretty much just how to do it by clip. You just push it all out. The cable comes through from here. Alright, and the cable actually follows through here. You would have to pop this bit through and pull this bit out. I'll actually pull it. Right, you can see the gap. I actually push it through here, so it comes from all the way down here, up through here, into the gap, and goes through to there.
Have you ever seen an armpit driveway?
Okay, so I've actually run the cable through from there through to here, and I've just installed the subwoofer. I just screwed it straight to the panel. That was just the neatest place that I could put it through. And to power the subwoofer, I've actually run the cable under this panel, under here, and I've actually tapped it onto behind this cigarette lighter, the 12 volt power. So this is how I've tapped into the front left and right speakers to run to the subwoofer. I'll put in the description the wire anyway, but for the left front speaker, the positive is white with black stripe and negative is white. For the right front, the positive one is purple with black stripe and negative is purple. So to put everything back would just be the reverse of how you did to pull out the head unit. I forgot to mention my subwoofer actually came with this controller. I didn't know quite where to put it yet, so for now I've just put it under this panel. So that was just a sample sound from the radio with the subwoofer on. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the subwoofer. I only paid $1.99 Australian for it, so it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.